Right, today I'm just going to show you how to get to the lights and light bulbs for changing them on the Vauxhall combo van, isn't it? So bonnet up, we'll go with the a little bit more fiddly because you're messing about down there. You've got to move all these cables to make it easier. Changing the near side or passenger side of the light bulbs on the combo is a little bit more fiddly because you've got these wires here and the fuse box. You can get your hand in, so that's the, again it's very hard for you to see, but that's the twist cap of the main headlight bulb there, and again it's just held on by the spring clip, which you can't really see at the moment because my fingers are in the way, but you can reach it. So that's the main beam. Just again, it's a quarter turn cover. Just literally feeling for it to sit in place. There you go, that's connected. This is your dip beam bulb. Again, awkward to get to with these wires in place, but you can do it. Again, quarter turn. Careful not to drop the cap on the floor. Use my other fingers to help. So again, just a twist that allows you access to the back of the bulb. Again, you've got your, this one just pulls out, it's not held in place by a spring. I can show you. It's just held on by the wires. Just make sure that when you put it back, that this tab fits in the opposite slot when you put it back in to hold it in place. And the side light bulb, a little bit more fiddly because this catch here keeps digging in the back of your hand, so you have to sort of really wriggle round. Side light bulb is obviously in the main headlight bulb location. Again, fit the dust cap on, a bit fiddly, but once it's in, quarter turn, there you go. Indicator again, just here. Quarter turn, jiggle. Same again. Spring loaded, twist, push and twist. So push, twist, and then reverse to fit it. Back on. When I say quarter turn, I don't even think it's a quarter turn, it's just a little. That's the indicator, dip beam, main beam and side light is inside that. That's on the offside passenger side. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and like and subscribe if you do. Just be aware you can slice your hand open. Not too bad, but annoying. Catch you again later.